I'm not sure how well this will turn out, but sometimes we miss some of the cool stuff, free stuff. That moon is something. It's about 4 in the morning. I can't sleep, but definitely wanted to take a peek at that bad boy. Catch you later. Took a few tries. Done. So this is like a bunch of stuff that was in my dad's toolbox. A lot of his change. Looked like he throws change in there if he's working on something. Anyway, I go to this box for, you know, whatever I can try to use from here. I try to use in them cars out there and pay it off again. It's cool, it just keeps giving you what you need. Perfect timing. So I had to put in a new hot water heater the other day, and the bummer was that I had just replaced it like 2 years ago, and got the floor wet, ruined the floor, and you know, it was a good day's labor to move it. I relocated it and reinstalled it. Anyway, I go into Lowe's, you know, we had already talked to the people at Whirlpool, and I go into Lowe's, and this lady kind of eyeballs me as I come wheeling in the customer service with an old water heater, you know, and I tell her what's going on. I got a coupon, or I got a receipt and a number, and we've already hashed it out with Whirlpool, and she goes, "Okay, just go pick one out and bring it up here." And I said, "Excuse me, ma'am." I said, "Could you have somebody bring it up here?" I said, "Excuse me for not being happy, but nobody's paying me for doing this job, and nobody's replacing my floor for me." And she kind of got a change of heart and had it set up. But, you know, it's just funny how lazy some people will be. And to her, it was just a phone call to make. You know, it's not like she had to physically go get it. But you kind of have to demand your rights, you know, as a consumer. It's shameful, but that's kind of the way it is. And anyway, replacing stuff that I already replaced, you know, because it's fun.